Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to participate in the newest Bitget exchange launch pool event. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channels and turn on the notifications to not miss out on our latest videos, events and updates. Now, let's get started. Bitget announced a day ago that they would give 1 million TRX tokens away as an airdrop event for those who provide liquidity in their exchange. Tron is a decentralized blockchain-based operating system developed by the Tron Foundation and launched in 2017. The Tron software supports smart contracts, various blockchain systems, and decentralized applications. You must have a Bitget account and complete KYC verification to participate in this event. You can stop this video. Click on this card in the top right corner and learn how to complete KYC verification, deposit crypto, trade in spot markets, and increase your trading volume. If you are new to Bitget exchange, you will receive additional rewards up to 100 TRX tokens as a newcomer gift. Also, if you invite your friends and if they provide at least $100 worth of liquidity in the Bitget exchange, you will receive an additional 150 TRX tokens. The event started on September 8 and it will continue till September 18. During this campaign period, you must create at least $100 worth of market volume in one or all of these coin parities such as TRX USDT, BTT USDT, NFT USDT, JSD USDT, Sun USDT, Win USDT, TUSD USDT, and USDD USDT. The more trading volume you provide for the market, the more TRX tokens you will receive by the end of this event. If you are wondering how to create trading volume, let's say that you have $50 in your spot wallet and decided to add market volume in TRX USDT parity. In that case, you must buy and sell TRX tokens in USDT parity in the Bitget spot market. Considering you only have $50, you must buy and sell TRX tokens at least 2 times to create $100 worth of market volume. Here you can check the pool allocation per volume. For example, if you provide more than 30,000 worth of market volume, you can receive up to 30,000 TRX tokens as rewards. At the bottom, it says users who traded $100 and above in featured coins are eligible to split the 235,000 TRX prize pool proportionally. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channel. Also follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter and Telegram channels and turn on the notifications to keep up with our latest videos, news and updates. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.